Now we will take the last question of practice set 1.4, that is fourth question, that is 1 upon 3x plus y. Practice set 1.4 is there, right? And question number last, 1 upon 3x plus y. 1 upon 3x plus y plus or minus plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to, there is 3 upon 4. Okay. Second is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y. Okay. Minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y, here is plus y and here is minus y, okay, is equals to minus 1 upon 8. Okay, what is the difference in first three questions and the last one? The difference is that in every question, means in every previous question 1, 2, 3, we had the same denominator. Okay, means this equal with this and this equal with this. But this time you can see here is 3x plus y and here is 2 in bracket 3x plus y. Okay, means आपको थोड़ा सा इधर उधर करने का मौका दिया है उन्होंने, मतलब इधर उधर करना चाहे, right? Okay, so this is very easy, but we have to understand only. Okay, how? So here we can see 3x plus y is there, right? Here is also 3x plus y, 3x minus y, 3x minus y, same. Okay, there is no problem. So you can write directly, and actually ना आपको ये भी जरूरत नहीं अभी लिखने की 5 into 1 upon 3x plus y वगैरह कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि 1 ऑलरेडी वहां पे लिया है. So can I say 1 upon, listen carefully, 1 upon, suppose we will write suppose 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to m, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to n. Okay, so can I say here as it is m, right? Because the value of this is m, so m plus here n directly is equals to 3 upon 4, right? But I can change it. How? 4 multiplied by m, 4m plus 4n is equals to 3. That will be as it is. Okay, so 4m plus 4n is equals to 3. This is equation number first made by this equation, right? Now come at second. Actually you can see इसका वैल्यू, ये जो यहाँ पे है ना, इसका वैल्यू m है, मीन्स यहाँ पे m ऊपर जाएगा, 2 as it is नीचे रहेगा, मीन्स that will be m upon 2. What that will be? m upon 2 माइनस यहाँ पे भी क्या हो जाएगा, ये ऊपर जाएगा, मतलब क्या आएगा, n upon 2, राइट? और यहाँ पे as it is minus 1 upon 8, राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में नंबर आ रहा है, डिनोमिनेटर में नंबर क्यों आ रहा है, यहाँ पे दिया था ना उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा. सो वी हैव रिटन दैट टू एज इट इज, वी डिडंट मेक एनी चेंज, राइट? ओके, नाउ सो आई वांट टू कैंसल those numbers. I want to cancel those numbers. So how to cancel? Can I multiply? So tell me 2 to 8, which is LCM? Definitely 8. So we can multiply this equation by 8. So multiply by 8. So 8 से multiply करने पर क्या हो जाएगा, m upon 2 into 8. Okay, minus n upon 2 into 8 is equals to minus 1 upon 8 into 8. Actually you can write directly also, like यहाँ पे 2 उसको कैंसिल करेगा, डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हो, लेकिन मैंने थोड़ा सा एक स्टेप बढ़ा दिया है. ठीक है, 2 1 2 2 4 8, 2 1 2 2 4 8, 8 1 8, right? So what is the equation? 4m minus 4n is equals to minus 1. Equation number second. Now tell me what you have to do. Actually this is very easy question, right? So यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन आपका 4m प्लस 4n, यहाँ पे 4n माइनस, मतलब उसका एडिशन डायरेक्टली कर दो. एंड इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और सेकेंड का एडिशन करने वाले हैं. 4m plus 4n is equals to what is there, that is 3, right? Okay, and the second equation 4m minus 4n is equals to what, minus 1. so addition में sign change होगा नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. so 4n cancel 4n, that is 8m, that will be 2. is it right? definitely. so m will be 2 upon 8, means m is 1 upon 4. value of m we could find, right? so m का value 1 upon 4 आया. now put m is equals to 1 upon 4 in equation, in any equation you can put in first equation. okay, so what is first equation? 4m plus 4n is equals to 3. now we have to write 1 upon 4 instead of this m. so m 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 4n is equals to 3. so 4 cancels 4, right? so here 1 as it is, 1 plus 4n is equals to 3. it means 4n is equals to 3 minus 1, right? okay, so 4n is equals to 2, n is equals to 2 upon 4, means 2 1s are 2, 2 4, 2 2s are 4. okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. similar. so n is equals to 1 by 2. आपको n भी मिला, m भी मिला. you have both the values m and n, but you don't have what, these values. ये आपके पास अभी है नहीं है. so you have to put m for 1 upon 3x plus y and n for 1 upon 3x minus y, right? ओके, मीन्स आपको आप क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू हमने पुट किए थे ना, इसको सपोज किया था ना. ओके, तो हम उसी को वहां पे हम लिखने वाले हैं. सो वी कुड फाइंड ओनली m and n, नॉट x and y, राइट? ओके, सो टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. आई विल क्लियर इट. ओके, नाउ बट यू कैन सी हियर, बट हमारे पास क्या है, 1 upon 3x plus y का वैल्यू m है और 1 upon 3x minus y का वैल्यू n है. सो टेल मी व्हाट इज m. सो कैन आई राइट 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to 1 upon what, 4, and what is next, 1 upon 2. so 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 1 upon 2. so that logic, which logic? numerator is same. so directly you can write 3x plus y is equals to 4. this is equation number what, I think 3. okay, third equation is there, and what, 3x minus y is equals to equation number 4 is there, right? so tell me addition or subtraction. definitely y, because here is positive y, here is negative y, so addition. okay, so add equation third and fourth. okay, so what is third? 3x plus y is equals to 4 and 3x minus y is equals to 2. y cancels y. 3 plus 3, 6x is equals to 6, right? so can I say x is equals to 1? I think you know very well which step is skipped, right? okay, 6 upon 6, that is 1. so हमारे पास वैल्यू कौन सा है, x का. हम अब क्या करेंगे, ये वैल्यू पुट करेंगे किसी और इक्वेशन में. ओके, सो पुट x is equals to 1 in equation. in which equation? कौन से इक्वेशन में पुट करने वाले हैं हम अभी इसको? इन इक्वेशन. x का वैल्यू 1 है तो हम इसी में से कोई इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे. ठीक है, सपोज इन इक्वेशन थर्ड, right? okay, now tell me what is third equation. 3x plus y is equals to 4. so x is equals to 1. 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. so y is equals to 4 minus 3. so y will be 1. means x का वैल्यू भी 1 आया, y का वैल्यू भी 1 आया. so what is solution? 1, 1. okay, understand? so this is the practice set number 1.4 which we have completed, right? If you have any query, you can write. Okay, so